Hello everyone. From the bearing I started in the last video, okay, is what I am into now, okay. These are the simple questions you need to know if you must solve technical one in bearing. You must know this simple one, all right. Now, it says the bearing of point P is 65 degrees. Then if you want to represent it now in 4 cardinal points, all right, you now represent it this way. These are our north, south, west, east, and west. So the bearing of point P is 65 degrees. We know that from here to here is 90, okay? You know, we are sketching. We are not using any instrument here to measure the correct angle of 65 degrees. But by knowing the basic information that from here to here is 90 degrees, therefore, 65 degrees will fall somewhere here. You know, we always start from north, okay, and move clockwise direction. So this place now is the 065 degrees of point P we are talking about. This is how to represent it. Look at this one. The bearing of point Q is 300. We now still draw 4 cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, okay? Now, with the basic information we know, so measuring this bearing of point Q in 300 degrees, we must start from north and move clockwise direction. And if we move like this to here, we know that here is 90 degrees plus another 90 degrees. When we reach south, it will be 180 plus another 90 degrees when we reach west, that is 270. What is it remaining to make it 300? It's 30 degrees, Abby. And 30 degrees is somewhere here, okay? 30 degrees is somewhere here. This is our point Q. So from here to this place is the bearing of point Q. That is 300 degrees. That's how to represent it, okay? When you hear such terms, this is way to do it. Then another one I want you to know is this one. They have already drawn it and say that you should state the bearing of point Q in the following. They are all point Q. They are all point Q. Then how do you state it? If you want to state this one now, we still stated that the bearing of this point Q here is equals to 0.48 degrees, okay? 0.48 degrees. Then coming to this one, what is the bearing of Q here? We know that remember we start from north, okay? North, south, east, and west. So we start and move and get the point Q, that is 48. Now moving to this one now, we will start, we know that we always start from north. We move now, the point Q here, we move from north, meet east, which is 90, meet south plus another 90, that is 180. Then you now add this 60 to 180. It will now be 240. Then the bearing of point Q here is 240 degrees. Okay, that's the bearing of this one. You understand? Do you get? Now coming to this one, they will ask us again, what is the bearing of Q here? Remember that our bearing always starts from north pole, okay? You now move clockwise, that is 90, okay? And move again to meet the point Q, okay? Now remember that from here to here is 90 and from here to south is 90, but they have already carved out 40 degrees, okay? What is remaining here is 60. what is remaining from here now to here is 60 degrees, okay? We now add this 60 to 90, it will become 150. So from here now, meet this, it will now be 150 degrees. When we add 60, the remaining 60 here to 90, it will be 150 because they are already carved out 40 here. So therefore, the bearing of Q here will be 150 degrees. The bearing of Q here is 150 degrees. Please, I want you to tell me the bearing of this one. This last one, okay? Please put the answer in my comment section. What is the bearing of Q here? This is our north, this is our east, this is our west, and this is our south. Please, I want you to use this one I want you to answer this one by yourself by putting the answer in my comment section, okay? What is the bearing of this? This is north, east, south, and the west. Here is 25 degrees. What is here is 25 degrees, okay? 25 degrees is here. Now, what is the bearing of this Q? This Q, when you have 25 degrees here, what will now be the bearing of this Q in this diagram? That is my question for you. So solve it and put it in my comment question. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. And also comment, like the video, and share the video. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.